Good morning, study 8. I am going to continue chapter 3 Tissue, Plant and Animal Tissue. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about the topic animal tissue. So let us know about the type of animal tissue. So animal tissue are basically are of the four type, dear student, mainly four types. So let us know about it. First, epithelial tissue. Second, connective tissue. Third, muscular tissue. And fourth, nervous tissue. Nervous tissue. So dear student, these are the four type of the animal tissue: epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Now I am going to explain you about the first type of the tissue known as epithelial tissue. So let us know about the first type of the tissue, epithelial. Epithelial tissue is thin, protective, and continuous sheet of the cell. So dear student, what do you mean by the epithelial tissue? Epithelial tissue is a thin, protective, and continuous sheet of the cells. Let us know the location of the epithelial tissue, shape and size of the epithelial tissue, and function of it. So let us know about the location. Epithelial tissue cover the surface of the body, and lines in the internal organs, cavities, and blood vessels. So dear student, where epithelial tissue is being found. So epithelial tissue cover the surface of the whole body. Dear student, it covers the surface of the body and also the line in the internal organs like the nasal cavities, mouth internal cavity, also in the lungs, also in blood vessel. So in this all the place epithelial tissue are being present. Next is shape of the cell. Shape of the cell. The shape of the epithelial tissue is flat, cuboidal and columnar. Shape of the cell is of the epithelial tissue, dear student. Let us know about the function of epithelial tissue. The function of epithelial tissue is protection, secretion and sensory perception. These are the three main functions of epithelial tissue, dear student. So let us know once again, what do you mean by the epithelial tissue? Epithelial tissue is a thin, protective and continuous sheet of the cell which used to cover the whole body. Also, it is being located in the, or it is being present in the internal organs like the nasal cavities or in the mouth, also in the blood vessel. In this all the places epithelial tissue is being found. Now, what is the shape of the cell of the epithelial tissue? Flat, cuboidal and columnar. And main function of the epithelial tissue is protection. It used to protect the internal organ, also our body. Secretion of the certain type of the chemicals which are essential for the functioning of the body. Also sensory perception means as it is present in the skin, it helps to know the effect of the environment. Sensory perception, as skin is our sense organ. Skin is our, among the 5 sense organ, skin is one sense organ which help in the sensory perception where epithelial tissue is being present. So dear student, this was about the introduction of epithelial tissue. In the next video, I will explain you about type of epithelial tissue. So dear student, please you read about the epithelial tissue and learn about its location, function and the type of the cell. Thank you, dear students.